Good morning. How are you today?
So tired?
Tired. Why don't you do some push ups to wake up? 1, 2, 3.
And
You don't do push ups in the morning?
yeah,
All right. Well, when do you go to school? What time do you go to school?
um, I don't go to school today.
You don't go today?
Yeah,
Why
I
is that?
go I go to the school trip today.
You're going on a school trip today?
Yeah,
Oh, that's cool. Where are you going?
I go to the 순천만.
So you're going to go hiking.
Yes.
All right. Are you good at hiking?
Um, no.
You're not good at hiking?
Yeah,
So your legs get tired.
yeah.
All right. You got any plans for Halloween?
No.
Do you do anything for Halloween?
Uh,
Candy?
I I just eat some candies.
All right. Are you going to wear a costume?
I have a set of the Harry Potter.
All right. All right. Are you going to be a wizard?
And
What are you going to be?
I
What from Harry Potter is your costume?
yes.
So it's just a student, Harry Potter student costume?
Mm,
Hogwarts costume?
this for Harry Potter's 파사모?
Out. Oh, his outfit, right? Harry
Yeah,
Potter's outfit.
yeah.
Cool, man. All right. Let's go ahead and get to work. Let's see. So for today, let's I wanted to show you this. I think you'll like it. So, this is a new book that we have. And we are going to talk about America. Okay?
Okay.
So, what do you know about the United States?
Um,
So, what do you know about California?
mm, um,
Disneyland?
I don't know.
Well, in California, Los Angeles, right? LA.
Yeah, yeah.
You know that?
No,
So you know about LA?
yeah.
Okay. What about in New York? What's in New York?
That's
Well, what's in New York?
that's one town of in United States.
One tunnel?
Town.
Town. City.
Yeah,
City. So NYC. New York City. That's right.
yeah.
Now, what do you know about my state here? Texas.
Um,
What does Texas have?
carbon.
Yep. Lots of beef. Lots of cows.
No.
Do you like
I
your
know.
beef?
Yeah,
Yeah. You should come
yeah.
to Texas. There's a lot of barbecue here. Everywhere. Everywhere is beef and burgers.
That's so good.
Yep. And the hamburgers here are huge. Big hamburgers.
Mm,
What do you know about here? Arizona.
so,
It is hot. Really hot.
uh,
Arizona is very hot. Now, up here is North Dakota. North Dakota is very cold.
아,
Here, it's negative 51 in the winter. Minus 51. Would you go there in the winter?
I know.
Why not?
I had a cold. The cold.
You hate the cold?
Yeah.
What about hot weather? Over here, it is, I forgot, 120 F to C. It's 48 degrees here in the summer.
Mm,
Want to go there?
no.
Why not?
I had a hot.
But you said you don't like the cold. You could go to Arizona. It's not cold.
Yeah, but that's too hot.
So the good weather is in California. What about Florida? Do you know anything about Florida?
What?
Florida has Disney World.
Oh,
Yeah. Now, California has Disneyland. Do you know what the difference is? Disney World is huge.
Disney World is a theme park?
Well, Disney World is like a city. It's huge. Disneyland is tiny. Disneyland is tiny. Disney World is huge. The amusement parks in Florida are better and bigger than California. So if you want to visit for amusement parks, forget California. Florida is better.
Okay.
All right. Have you been to the United States? Have you been to the United States?
Yeah.
Where did you go?
No. I didn't go to any country.
Okay. So you have not been to a country.
Yeah.
Okay. What state would you want to visit? North Dakota, right?
I don't know.
But you can make ice cream everywhere.
I can make ice cream coffee.
You can wear a jacket.
No.
Arizona? You want to go there?
I want to go to Texas.
Texas. Beef.
Yeah, beef.
Yep. Texas, there's steak everywhere. Steak restaurants everywhere. Oh, you know what? Since we're talking about food in Texas, let's go here real fast. Let's say these are nachos. Have you seen this before?
No.
This is a famous food in Texas. These are called nachos. It's corn chips, cheese, beef, avocado, and tomato.
That's jalapeno.
Yeah, jalapenos. Very famous. Let's see. Texas casa
Casa.
dishes. There's another famous dish in Texas.
This.
And they all have beef. You see that? There's always steak.
This looks like so delicious.
Yeah, come to Texas. You can study here. There's very good universities in Texas. And all the good companies are here. SpaceX, Tesla, Oracle, they're all here.
That's about.
All right. Now, what about 4 time zones in the U.S.? Do you know what a time zone is?
No.
All right. So a time zone is kind of ridiculous.
Ridiculous.
Yeah. Let me show you what a time zone is. So America is in 3 parts.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
have Pacific Standard Time, and then you have Central Standard Time, and then you have Eastern Standard Time. So this is -2 hours, 1 hour, plus 1 hour on the clock. That's so that the sun will be there in the daytime, day hours, right?
Right.
And then there's
know.
another time zone here. Whoops, for Hawaii.
Hi.
Yep. So these are time zones. How many time zones does Korea have?
I have 100.
One time zone.
We just all of the Koreans have one time zone.
Yep. Want to know something really silly in America? Some cities have their own time zone.
Yeah.
So if you're standing in like a reservation city and you have your phone, right?
Yeah.
It'll say 5 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
And then you take a step forward, it'll say 6 o'clock. And then you step backwards, it'll say 5 o'clock. That happens in the US.
That's so difficult.
Kind of silly, right?
Yeah.
All right, let me get rid of these. All right. So, what is a less touristy state that you would want to visit? So, is there a smaller state that you would want to visit?
Hawaii.
Hawaii, but that's a very touristy state. See? So, we said not touristy. Right here. This one. Do you know the meaning here?
Yeah.
So, what is a place that is not touristy that you would want to visit? Smaller state. What about? Well, you like good weather, right?
Yeah.
Idaho has very nice weather. Yep. Do you like hiking?
No.
You don't like hiking?
Yeah.
Well, you don't have to hike there, but the weather is nice. The weather in, I'm trying to think of other good places. There's not a lot of good places. There's not a lot of places with good weather. Colorado in the summer is really nice. Colorado. Now, do you know what's in Nevada?
No.
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Now, Las Vegas has awesome weather in the winter. The desert is very nice in the winter. Perfect weather.
Just about.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I suppose we got to wrap it up for today. Excellent work. And we already went through the corrections, so we don't need to do that. But just remember, when you said, like, I hate a cold, you want to say, I hate the cold.
Okay.
Because A means, like, there's one cold that you don't like. You want to say, I hate the cold, or I hate cold weather.
Okay.
And you said, I didn't go to any country. You want to say, I have not been to any countries.
Okay. Okay.
But you could also say, I have not been abroad. Now you say it. I have not been abroad.
I have not been abroad.
Perfect. Perfect. That's how you can say it. Have a
Thanks.
fantastic morning. Enjoy your school trip. I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.